Water damage equipment is a necessity to help home and business owners whose properties have been affected with water damage in order to properly dry a home or business that has been affected by water damage. As a water damage restoration company, we use professional grade equipment to tackle the toughest of jobs and deliver outstanding results for our clients. The following are some of the pieces of equipment we use in order to properly dry out structures that have been affected by water damage, depending on the damage of each job. Desiccants. Desiccant dehumidifiers using desiccant material have the function of raising the temperature to separate moisture particles from the different affected materials and move large volumes of moisture-laden air to the outside through lay-flat ducts. Air movers. Moving the air across wet materials in spaces affected by water damage helps improve evaporation during the drying process. Dehumidifiers. Dehumidifier reduces humidity in enclosed structural environments by removing water vapor from the air. Axial air mover. The main purpose is to move large amount of air horizontally to speed up water evaporation time.